Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. Today's video will be about the Dream Night in Box beauty box from The Next Beauty. This is a new beauty box released by The Next Beauty, is retailed for £15 and worth over £52. Inside we will find 6 products, 4 of them being in travel size and 2 of them in deluxe size. What I can say for sure is that a very nice smell comes from the box. I also know who is guilty of this smell is this candle from New Home Organics London, Real Luxury, Scent to Distress. It's a travel size, 1 wick candle that smells wonderful. It is made 100% natural fragrance, which expertly blends 24 of the purest essential oils, including lavender oil, Brazilian rosewood oil, and jasmine oil. What I can say is that this candle smells amazing. I really like it. Next we have 2 products from a great brand, Kingsley. And here we have the Moisture Balancing Shampoo. Is a hydrating shampoo that leaves the hair smooth, shiny and manageable. And the second product from the Kingsley is the Moisture Balancing Conditioner, of course. Kingsley is a brand that I like. All the products that I tried from them was amazing. If the price of their product were more reasonable, it would have been perfect. The fourth product from a beauty box is from This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. The miracle solution to a great night's sleep, infused with essential oils of lavender, vetiver and wild chamomile to soothe the body and mind. Well, I'm not over the moon about this product. I'm not saying that is bad. Is a non-essential product for me. The fifth product that we find is from Elemis, is their Pro Collagen Energizing Cleanser. This gel cleanser helps energize the skin for optimum performance, supercharged with minerals. The advanced formula leaves the complexion looking beautifully revived and rejuvenated. I had this cleanser in the past and it was great. It's gentle with the skin, only good things about it. And the last product from the beauty box is from Nuxe, Bio-Organic, Marine Seaweed Skin Correcting Moisturizing Fluid. This organic moisturizing fluid with a marine seaweed extract optimizes hydration of normal to combination skin. It improves skin quality by correcting pores, blemishes, redness and irregular skin texture. Okay guys, these are the products from the Dream Night in Box beauty box by The Next Beauty. What do you think about it? Is a nice beauty box? It worth the money? In my opinion, is a good beauty box. The most I am excited about New Home Organics London candle, Kingsley shampoo and conditioner, Elemis cleanser is great too, and I am curious to try the Nuxe face cream. And this was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!